the eye of the hurricane. See there, whoa! There's debris flying everywhere. It's real windy. Whoa! Ow! I think it just hit my wrist. There's debris flying everywhere, obviously. It's really raining. There's wind everywhere, as you can tell. And whoa! It's a fish! How did the fish get? Oh, okay, the next ocean. How did he get in the air? Anyhow, here we are, 25. Yeah, it's getting too strong to continue recording. So, I think I'm going to have to go out. Back to you later. Bob, back to the studio.